Hey, part two. So today we're going to be reviewing the ending of She Sings and then running it from the beginning. It's our last day of review. So let's do our second verse. The She cries for those who have never loved. I'm going to sing it, and if you want to sing with me, that's fine. If you want to listen to jog your memory, you can do that too. She cries for those. One, two, it sounds like this. She cries for those who have never loved, and for those who never sing. So, reminder that we sing, she cries for those who have never loved, and for those. And we go to the second ending. Sorry, I'm just looking at my dog out the window. Alex is taking him for a walk, but he doesn't want to leave the porch because it's raining. So dramatic. I wonder who he gets it from, not me. Okay, so sorry. You have she cries for those who have never loved, and for, and then we go here, those who never. Then we have this. Remember, it's called a séjour. We stop, a big break. Never. We breathe. Sing. And we fade out. Okay? Can you try singing that? She cries for those who have never loved. One, two, sing. She cries for those who have never loved, and for those who never sing. Okay, let's try that one more time. She cries for those. One, two, go. She cries for those who have never loved, and for those who never sing. All right, let's see if we can put that first verse and then do the repeat. She cries for light when the day is done. She fears what night may bring. Just literally, I love this text so much. She cries. One, two, go. She cries for light when the day is done. She fears what night may bring. She cries for those who have never loved, and for those who never all right, so let's see if we can sing it from the beginning and see what happens. All right, part two is here we go. Remember, this is the last time we're reviewing it before your recording assignment, which you get to choose either song. Far away in a far off land is a child who loves to sing. She opens up her fragile heart, and her song it takes wing. She sings la 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 on the grass, on the cool green grass that was hers since she could run. She lies right there, open like a fan in the warmth of summer sun. She sings la 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 She lies with hair open like a fan. She lies with hair like a fan. She cries for light when the day is done. She fears what night may bring. She cries for those who have never loved, and for All right, and that's it, part 2. If there's any part of that you need to redo, feel free to go back, rewind, practice, make sure you're feeling good for Wednesdays and Thursdays recording assignment. All right, guys, have a good day.